Create cozy vibes for your home with this charming pom-pom wreath that you can display all winter long. Here's what you'll need. A foam wreath. The one I chose is 18 inches wide. Aleene's original tacky glue, white felt, a miniature house and 3 miniature trees, assorted neutral colors of yarn, cardboard, chenille stems, scissors, and you'll need some straight pins. First, let's cover the wreath with felt by cutting 2-inch wide strips. Apply Aleene's original tacky glue to the wreath and adhere the felt strips by winding them around the wreath. Continue to wind the felt strips and glue them to the wreath until it's covered. The felt will provide a good base for the pom-poms and cover the foam. To make 2 different size pom-poms, cut cardboard into a 4-inch square and a 3-inch square. Wind yarn around the cardboard until it's nice and full. The more yarn, the fluffier the pom-pom. Carefully pull the yarn off the cardboard and tie the center tightly together with a chenille stem. Cut all of the loops of yarn with scissors. Then pull all the yarn into one hand and trim the ends all the very same length. This is important to create a perfectly round pom-pom. Now make oodles of pom-poms in all the colors and in both sizes. It took around 40 pom-poms for this wreath. It takes a lot, but it's worth it. Apply glue to the bottom of a pom-pom and adhere it to the wreath. Hold it in place with a straight pin until it's dry. Keep gluing the pom-poms to the wreath, varying the sizes and the colors to add lots of dimension to the design. You know, you can choose any color of yarn to match your home, and you could even make several wreaths for the different seasons of the year. I think these beautiful neutral cream colors create a warm and inviting feeling for those cold winter nights. When the glue is almost dry, be sure to pull out all the straight pins. You can create a charming village scene by applying Aleene's original tacky glue to a miniature house and adhere it to the bottom of the wreath. Apply glue to the bottoms of the trees and place them around the house. You could also use sentimental ornaments or even a big bow if you like. Now be sure and let the glue dry completely. Hang your pom-pom wreath anywhere you want to add instant coziness and the satisfaction of knowing you made it yourself.